some drip in a snake. A couple of comments check. Just some famous big. I'm so ready to flex. Get some drip in a snake. A couple of comments check. Just some famous big.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and also welcome to the Boss Beauty channel if this is your first time here, and also if it is your first time here, please subscribe, like and comment, share, and subscribe, of course, right? I would appreciate it if you do, if you continue to watch and like this video. So let's get into it. As you can see, what caught your eye to this video is me making a wig with bundles, and I will get into that in a second, and I will get into the things that you need to make this wig on your own. So alright, so the hair company that I am working with is called Alibeauty here. As you can see, it came in this nice luxury bag. It's really pretty, girly like. I like. So let's get into the bag. It comes with two things here. Is a card, which is a thank you card, and just different things where you can follow them and how to get in touch with them as well, and all of the things that they provide as gifts when you order from their site. And also they have like this little I guess you can call it a card too, or brochure. It just have examples on how to take care of the hair and how to wear it and things of that nature as well. So as you can see, 100% human hair from Alibeauty Hair Company on Amazon. So let's get into the gifts that they provided me in my bag. So it comes with an eyeshadow palette with different colors in here. I think it's mostly neutral colors, which is pretty cool because I don't really have one that has the browns that come with them. These are 3D mink lashes. Right. So I'm sure you ladies are wondering where's the hair, what the hair looks like. So I got bundles. So I will go ahead and just sit this here. So I got a closure. It's a 10-inch closure here, and it's a curly unit, as you can see. And I'll pull them all out so I can do them in order. So it comes with 3 bundles and a closure. So let's start with the sizes here, the inches. So I got a 12, I got a 14, and a 16-inch curly bundle. And they are true to length because I've ordered hair from them before and worked with this company a few times now. So I would also leave the links of this in my description box. This is how it looks here. This is the, I think I just pulled out the 16-inch. Yes, so I pulled out the 16-inch. Has their information on it here. All right. So this is the hair. I got to comb through it already before, and just to get a feel, but as you can see, I am going through it, and there's like one piece of it shedding. Yeah, maybe one piece there. But it's soft and don't really have a smell or anything like that. The closure as well. So I'll take this off so you guys can see. Of course, the bundles, they're all like the same, but you know, ladies, we love to see the closure. So this is the closure. So as you come through, Looks good, no shedding, just like one piece like the other. So it looks like it was kind of already bleached a little bit, but I may go in still. I don't normally do like bleaching my knots. I like to use my foundation and put it on. That's just how I like doing things. But as you can see, it kind of looks brown already, like they've already tinted or tried to bleach the knots on here. So that is pretty cool. This is the front part of it. So it looks like we got some baby hairs up there. Yeah, just a few. It looks like they went in and tried to pluck as well, but not as much, so we probably go in a little bit more with that, but it looks really good. Yeah, so this is their closure for it, and this is a 10-inch. Okay, I want to show you guys the things that you would need to make this video. Okay, all right, so of course some people may not use this, but I use this. I put the bag on top of it because I am using a glue gun for this. So if you want to use a glue gun, you will need to get the things for it to apply the glue to make the hair stick. Okay, so I don't want glue seeking through my cap, so I will put this on there. You will need these to hold down your closure. So I'll put these down for now. You will need scissors just in case you need to cut the hair, or just cut the part of the cap. And this is the cap that I will be using. And you will also need needle and thread to sew down your closure. So that is key too. I could use the glue gun to glue it down, but I don't want to use the glue on the closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. So this is not your typical hair net that you would use, but this is the one I have on hand, so I'm just gonna make it do what it do. So this is how you'll start. I will plug up my glue gun here because I got a little piece in there already. Yeah, so stay tuned for the next part of the video where I will be applying the hair. Okay guys, I just want to come back just to let you guys see that I am finally have the closure on. I sewed that down and then I use my glue gun to do the rest. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll have this one next time you see me, and the next part of this video. Hello all, welcome back to the Boss Beauty channel. I am just here to do the second part of the video. As you can see, I'm done up because I kind of wanted to do a nice done up look that you can put together with this hair that I'm about to put on. As you can see, I all slicked down for the most part. This is how I'm going to do this part in this part of the video. So I have the wig here. As you guys seen on the first part of the video, I had this the wig and put it together. As you can see, these beautiful curls. It has set overnight, so I let it dry. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's definitely beautiful. Look at them curls. It's popping. I'm gonna go in. I did a little bit already, but I'm gonna go over a little more just to put my foundation on top underneath here, so I can do that because I don't like really bleaching the knots, but maybe I'll get into it. So you ladies that want to know about bleaching the knots and how to do it, then I will do it for you guys. I put on the elastic band. I sewed it down. Also, if you want to see a video on how to do that, I will definitely do that for you guys as well. So yeah, this is the wig. It's pretty much already together. That's why I'm already together, because I didn't want to do a long video. So it's together. I'm gonna go in a little bit more to the closure just to add more foundation to it. As you can see, I put a little bit on at the top already, so I'm just gonna go down a little bit at the bottom. So I'll do that now while I'm on screen. I stopped because I figured that's a part of the video, so let me show you guys how this works. So I like to use my contour palette here. I like to use this, and I like to use the darker shade, and it fits very well with my complexion. So that's why I like to put on my my closures. As you can see, it's gone, but I have a second one, so ladies, don't worry, I got more. But yes, I will be using this shade here, the darker shade, and then I'll apply it. So I'm going in with that darker shade of the contour, and I'm just applying it here. You see, it just goes on like that. So I'll do that really quick, and I'll be back. So you can see I got that in. That's the way I like my closure to look. As you can see, those spots in there, that's from when I applied to my closure at the top when I did my little baby hairs. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my head so you guys can see what it looks like. Shout out to Alibeauty for the beautiful hair. Like, it's so pretty. See this hair? I'll definitely leave the link for you guys in there. I just wanted a side part. And like I said, I had washed it, and let the curls sit overnight, so it can be already done for today. So yeah, so I didn't want to have to do like a whole look. So I'm gonna go in and do the closure, cut it off, and then yeah. Hope y'all loving the look. Alright, let me not get too cute because I gotta clip this thing out. But I'm gonna go in and cut this lace. And if you want to do it like that, like a zigzag type of way, then that helps make the lace look more natural as well. Okay. And I don't necessarily want to go in a zigzag way because I have my baby hairs in a certain way. So I'm gonna just do it like that, going around my baby hairs. Just cutting off that excess lace. go back in here and just finish this process. I have a little more here that I'm going to cut out. I'll probably do a little more here. Good. So you see that part there. I'm going to go in just a little more up here, just a little bit. And it's looking like I might not have to put on any Gossipy spray or Ghost Bond on here, because it's like it's fitting very nicely on my head. So I'm really liking that. So I might not even do anything else to this. Make sure my lace is perfect though, if I'm gonna do that. And I don't like having a lot of lace out, so I like it to look really natural looking. As you can see here, it's still together, it's on my head, and I don't even have it like glued down. So I'm placing it where I want it to be on Beauties. You can see it looks really good. We'll bring it back just a little bit. It's like a natural hairline, but look at that. Looks really good. So if you want to play with the curls and make it bigger, you can. Just scrunch it up, pull it out a bit, go in there like that. Shout out to Alibeauty hair for this beautiful bundles and closure. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for working with me. And ladies, if you like, I will definitely leave this in the description box if you are interested in this beautiful bundles and closure. So this is definitely my first time doing this, so I am definitely proud of myself of how this came out. This looks really, really good for a first try of making my own wig. So I will have some pictures coming up in a minute, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoyed the part 1 and part 2 of this video. So thank you so much for tuning in, and also clicking on this video. Also subscribe, like, comment. Also click the bell if you want to stay up to date on my next video or when I will be posting soon. So thank you so much, my beauties, for staying tuned into the Boss Beauty channel. Mwah.
Like spoon, I hung, I'm making a rain. This whole summer, here comes